Hey there Angular fans, it's Leandro, your guide to all things Angular. We're about to dive into another episode of Angular Mystery Box. Before we do, hit that like button and subscribe for your regular dose of Angular awesomeness. Alright, let's get to it. Today we're putting the spotlight on Angular services, the hidden power players of Angular apps. Angular services. Think of them as the behind-the-scenes wizards of your application. They're quietly doing the heavy lifting, ensuring everything ticks along perfectly. So why are services the MVPs of Angular? They're all about making your life easier. Say you've got a function you need across multiple components. You can copy-paste it everywhere. A bit messy, right? Or you can put it in a service. Now that's sleek and efficient, keeping your code dry. That's don't repeat yourself for the uninitiated. And when it comes to testing, services are a game changer. They simplify unit testing dramatically. Inject a mock service and there you go. Testing is suddenly a piece of cake. Remember, when you're piecing together your next Angular project, services are your secret ingredient. They keep your app running smoothly, efficiently, and make sure it's ready for any challenge. And that's a wrap for today's Angular exploration. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and share your Angular stories below. Keep on coding, keep exploring, and may your debug sessions be short. This is Leandro signing off. Peace out.